In one of the units I just bought on the second floor under the carpet there was very soft spot. After renting it for 2 months on Airbnb, it got significantly worse and guests complained it's hazardous. I had to fix it within few hours before new guests check in. I double-checked the spot, which really got worse and was spreading along little more. With regular utility knife I started cutting through carpet to see what is underneath. So this older 1955 house was actually having hardwood floors underneath the carpet. I really had to cut more of the carpet to see what is farther down, and lordy, that's a lot of damaged wood. I don't even know how you can damage wood under the carpet so bad. It's clearly that whoever was putting carpet back in the day didn't get bothered to fix those spots. With multi-purpose saw, I just started cutting damaged wood down to subfloor. Here is how much I had to remove. I mixed up fast-setting concrete and after cleanup of the area just filled it up with concrete and obviously smoothed it out. Like I said, I was limited in time before new guests check in, so when concrete dried out, I simply put carpet padding back into place the same way. In the perfect world, I would recommend to put a new piece, but the stores don't sell them unless it's a big roll. Next, you need to cut carpet seam tape and start putting it under each of the carpet cut lines one by one, carefully peeling the cover and pressing carpet from the top. Make sure you got little overlap to have enough tape to work for another 90 degrees cut line. When all said and done, put wet rag on top and iron all the seams. You don't do it for the tape to work, you do it just to get those rough seams smoothed out. Not sure it helps. Here is the final look. As for me, for old carpet with pretty much no extra pile of fluff left, the seams don't look bad and the floor underneath is very solid. I did this job on June 17. Today is October 31st and you can see nothing happened to carpet and I never got a single complaint from guests. So quick rough fix helped my unit to keep rolling on Airbnb.